In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make GoHighLevel AI website. We'll start right from your company dashboard in GoHighLevel and turn on the tools that let AI build a site for you. First, switch to Agency View so you can manage features across sub-accounts. From there, open Settings, then go to the Labs area. In Labs, open the Sub-Account section. Use the search to find two features, Brand New Funnel AI and Website AI. Activate both. These features allow GoHighLevel to generate full funnels and multi-page websites using AI, including layouts, copy, and starter images, so you can launch faster with fewer manual edits. Next, select the sub-accounts where you want Website AI available by checking their boxes, enable those sub-accounts, and save your changes. You'll see a confirmation that the features are now active. Then head back to your company dashboard and switch into the specific sub-account you plan to use for this build. Inside that sub-account, go to Sites, then open the Websites section. Click Build with AI, Beta. The AI website option uses the details from your account and the guidance you provide to scaffold a complete site structure, which you can customize in the builder afterward. You'll still stay in control. The AI suggests sections like Hero, Services, Testimonials, and Contact, and it fills in placeholder copy you can rewrite. You can also set global styles for fonts and colors, so the design stays consistent across pages. Before you generate anything, connect your domain. Choose Connect Domain and follow the prompts. This step is required. The website AI won't create a site if no domain is attached to the sub-account. If your domain is hosted elsewhere, complete the DNS steps provided by GoHighLevel, then return once the connection is verified. With the domain connected, click Generate with AI. The builder will create your website automatically. For the best results, provide clear inputs, your industry, key services, target audience, tone of voice, and any brand colors, so the AI can shape content and sections that fit your business. Once the draft is ready, review the pages, adjust copy, swap images, and fine-tune buttons and navigation. It's a great idea to double-check mobile responsiveness and add essentials like a privacy policy, terms, and SEO titles and descriptions. When you're happy with the result, click Publish. Your AI-built website is now live on your connected domain, and you can keep iterating anytime inside the builder. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.